Market.
Subscribe to watch more videos.
Unity Dows.
Once in a beautiful forest, there happily lived many doves. Those doves went in search of food. A queen dove was leading the flock. One day, there came a hunter to hunt in that forest. The hunter was searching for a place to keep his net to hunt animals. The hunter decided to hunt birds. The hunter laid the net, scattered some grains over it to catch the birds. He then went and hid behind a tree. A flock of doves came that way. They saw the grains. The doves were so hungry, so they went to feed on those grains. The queen said, "Friends, eat the grains fast. We must go soon from here." The doves were feeding on the grains without noticing the net laid. After they finished eating, they tried to fly from there, but their claws got stuck in the net. They were unable to fly from there. They feared so much of being caught by the hunter. The queen said, "Friends, we have to fly together to escape from this place." The hunter was so happy to see many birds being caught in the net. The doves were ready, and on the signal of the queen, they flew together. The hunter was shocked to see it and tried to catch them, but couldn't do so. The doves flew with the net and escaped from the hunter. The queen said, "If we are united, no one could catch us." Other doves asked, "Yes, now how shall we come out from the net?" The queen said, "Let us get the help of our rat friends." They together flew to their rat friends. The rats saw the birds approaching them with a net. The rats thought that the doves were going to throw the net on them. They ran in fear. The doves had no idea why they were running. At that time, there came a cat to visit its rat friend. When it went near the rat's hole, it saw the doves flying with a net. Cat thought to itself, "Why are they flying with a net in their claws?" The doves went near the cat. The cat asked, "Friend, how did you get stuck in this net?" The queen said, "We unexpectedly got stuck in a net laid by a hunter. Friend, can you release us from this net?" The rat watched them by hiding behind a rock in fear. Cat called the rat. It said, "Hey friend, come here." The rat ran to cat and said, "Friend, I thought they are going to throw the net on me." The cat laughed and said, "Friend, they are our friends. They will not harm you. Cut the net and help them to be free. We must save our friends when they are in need." The rat said, "Okay, friend." The queen said, "Friends, help us, please." Rat thought and called its friend for help. All the rats together cut the net. The doves were released one by one. The rats together saved the doves. The doves thanked them so much. Rat said, "Friend, hereafter I will not be feared seeing you." The queen dove and the other doves thanked the cat and the rat for their help. They flew happily from there. So kids, be united like these doves to solve any problem. Bye-bye kids.
Subscribe to watch more videos.